Hi Priyarshni, how are you doing?
Hi, ma'am. I'm doing good.
Yeah, you are here for a reason because your diamond membership is almost coming to an end, and you have been very regular, very consistent. You were there always, and sometimes, whenever you missed the class, I think you always message on the group,
Yes, ma'am.
and
No, I had rarely missed. I have missed only
yeah,
one class,
one
because
class. That's the thing. You have been very consistent as a student, and I'm
yes,
sure a lot of learning happened for you.
yes,
So,
ma'am.
would you like to share your journey with Go Nature as a diamond member?
Yes, ma'am. Sure. Ma'am, my journey in Go Nature started when I took silver membership the first time and attended Sir's class, ma'am, Vishal Sir's class. 2 days class was there, na ma'am. So for 48 days continuously, I attended. So after attending his class, I was so much impressed by his findings and by the way he taught us, by the way he made us to understand what the nature like comprises of many solutions for our day-to-day and routine diseases or some health issues. So those things, the way he put ma'am, in the training or in the class, so that I got very impressed. Example, the structured water, it may be structured water or it may be no MRP, and also about using to eradicate plastic from our daily life. So how, what is the replacement for the plastics that we are using now? So all those things, by going through that 48 hours, I mean 2 days workshop, so I was completely impressed by that. So after that I took gold membership, ma'am. So in that gold membership, during that time, Shika ma'am guided me like anything, ma'am. I was like, I must thank her. During that time I fell sick because I had some viral fever or something like that, throat infection plus fever plus cough. So it was there. So during that time, she made me to follow the natural way of healing instead of avoiding me from going to hospitals, ma'am, nearby hospitals. So the way, like 3 days I took immune boosting therapy for that. So by that, ma'am, by that I was totally, like, I was completely I was impressed. So I was, till that time I was not knowing that there are natural process that are there, so that which can heal your health completely. So till that time I was not, when I personally experienced that no ma'am. So after that I felt like I got confidence. I gradually started building confidence in me that everything, like every diseases, all the diseases, day to day diseases, all the health issues, it might be diabetes or it might be BP, everything can be solved through natural healing process. So by that I was completely impressed, and for each and every health issues I used to call ma'am or message ma'am. She was there with me in each and every like each and every situation and each and every issues to to solve. So she guided me very well, ma'am. Even I followed it, and I personally got very good results in my life. So that inspired me to take this diamond membership. So after this, so since I'm working as an executive engineer in KPTCL for now. So with that, ma'am, I'll be like totally in that office, and my job is like 24/7. There is no like Sunday, Saturdays. Like whenever I get call regarding interruption of power line, so I used to be on the spot. So it is like that. Instead of that, I just, before taking diamond membership, I discussed with Shika ma'am, like, what is this, ma'am? Like, will I be able to meet this, the requirement of this course? Will I be able to do it completely? Regarding that, I just discussed her. She just encouraged me. It's okay, you can do. We all will be there with you. We all will take care of it. You don't worry. We will be there. Not only till this. till this course finishes. So we will be there till I she just I that word, ma'am, I really got impressed by her words, that she told me that till my last breath I will be with you, she told. So I was completely impressed by her words, and really I got tears on my eyes on that day by hearing those words. So I felt really very happy with her, and I told her, ma'am, okay, if there is anything, if I miss out, or if I'm not able to make it 100%, will you be there to guide me? I just asked her. She told me, don't worry, we will be there. You can come and you can be with us. So so the way she encouraged and the way she supported was really nice. So that actually gave me the confidence to get into this diamond membership. In diamond membership, I just got. I initially I was like I was just not confident enough, like will I be making up this or not. So after entering this, ma'am, after attending your classes, I'm telling you, you are such a nice person. I have never met in my life, ma'am. Really, the way, the patience you will tell, the way you will make us learn things bit by bit. Everything was really nice, ma'am. I learned so many things from you. Most importantly, I learned a patience from you, ma'am. I'm really happy, and I'm not telling this because I have to tell, because really I'm telling from my heart that I have learned. Even now, ma'am, even now I can't believe that I have left the milk products. So every junk food, I have completely eradicated them from my life. Even now I can't believe that I have been like milk, you know, ma'am, like from small, when we get birth itself, they'll tell milk you have to drink, or else you will get lack of calcium, like deficiency in calcium, like that. So we will be like embedded in our mind that, so without milk we can't live. But now I am very happy to tell that so since I have taken milk, it had been 10 months, ma'am. I'm not taking. I've completely, whatever I have learning, whatever you have taught me, ma'am, whatever the Go Nature have taught me, that I am like following it pin to pin, and I'm getting very very good result. I'm very happy regarding my experience in Go Nature, and also meeting you all, Shika ma'am, you, Vishal sir, each and everyone, ma'am. I'm really very happy to have this most supporting and very encouraging community. And I think I'm like, I in diamond membership, ma'am, I have to tell, so I have got many more things than I expected. I expected, and much more thing I have got in return, ma'am. I'm very happy to tell, and really like to learn many things regarding natural process is really very nice. And I have got a very confidence in myself in knowing so many things, and also in knowing so many things, and I'm feeling really very very happy to know them and to implement that in my life, and also to implement. For the time being, I'm just concentrating on my family. I'm just spreading all those things in my family, and they're also gradually they're picking up, and I'm very happy on that. And also at office also, I will be speaking about this to my colleagues, to my subordinates, to my higher officers. I will be like, not completely, but little ma'am, like structured water, I'll be telling them it is very easy to prepare. So like one matka, like I'll be telling them, they will be doing it, but they are also very happy. And little things I'm just trying to bring improvement in their life also gradually. But I'll next, like after family members, I'll take patients, ma'am. So, and also I'm very thankful for you all for being with me, and I request you to be further also in future also.
Definitely. I can see the joy in your voice. I can see feel the happiness in you. I can really feel that, the kind of delight you are expressing, that it was so nice to be a part of Go Nature. So whatever you're saying, actually, I can feel it, the way you're expressing it.
Yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
Priyadarshini, yes, I think you are doing wonderfully for yourself, and you went through the goal journey, you reversed your own diseases, and then you thought to yourself that yes, you want to learn more. That is what made you join Diamond membership.
Like initially, I was not knowing, ma'am. I was just wandering. I was looking onto some videos how to improve this naturally. I used to type like that, and I used to get some results. But by going through those results and all, by going through those procedures and all, I used to have some sort of confusion whether is it true or it is really going to help or not. But after attending silver memberships sir's workshop, na ma'am. So after that, through this journey, through gold, it might be the diamond membership. After this, I'm standing at this edge, so I'm very happy, and I think, ma'am, this is a platform which I was like very eagerly wanting for, and I'm very happy that I'm in the right place and in safe place.
Yeah, so taking the right decision at the right time is very important. See,
Yes, ma'am.
when we take a decision, it's just a flash of a second. So
Yes,
we
ma'am.
can take a decision this way or that way, but taking the right decision at the right moment, I think that takes you a long way. So you
Yes.
joining Go Nature at that 47 meeting has brought you till the end of it, till diamond membership, where you feel so empowered. You're feeling
Yes.
so empowered and you're feeling so good about taking that first decision which you took when you took a 47 rupees plan.
Yes.
So, yeah, I wish you all the very best to you. Though you are very busy, you just mentioned that 24/7 you are busy, you have lots of work to do.
Yes.
But in
Yes, ma'am.
spite of that, you found time. So, this message must go across that in spite of being so busy, still Priyadarshini had all the time to learn naturopathy and how happy she is when she's implementing on herself. So, I hope you spread this word across your neighborhood, your friends, your society, and of course, slowly, wherever you are, because
Yes, ma'am.
this is the need of the hour.
Yes, ma'am.
Naturopathy has to spread far and wide.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Whatever we
Yeah.
have learned, ma'am, whatever the marketing, it might be marketing knowledge, it might be professionalism, like development of professionalism. So I promise you that I'll take this, I implement this completely, and I take this through my life, and also I spread as much as possible, ma'am. In spite of my busy schedule, also, ma'am, one thing I wanted to tell. This is something which I enjoy the most. I'm enjoying the most. I'm learning and I'm helping people, and I'm seeing the result. I'm getting that improvement in my improvement in my life also, and after that I'll get confidence to tell others. So that is what making me very happy.
You feel that diamond membership has done a lot of good to you. You have learned and you've got the confidence to talk to people about naturopathy also.
Yes, 100%, ma'am. I can speak in front of anybody, in front of any crowd. I'm able to speak now. And also I like to speak. I like to spread. I like to tell them like what
I'm
it
so
is.
happy. So happy for you. We want students like you, and you are one of them who
Yes, ma'am.
is all set, all ready to speak with people about naturopathy. Because why? Because you've gone through it. You've
Yes,
gone
ma'am.
through it yourself, and you have
I
learned it,
want
and
them
now you
to,
want to take it. Yeah.
and I want them to improve their life also. At least give one chance, at least like me. See, I had like when I got fever, I just gave myself one chance to see how is it really works or not. I just gave one chance. If I wouldn't have given that chance to myself, I wouldn't have understood the importance of it. Now, ma'am, so I just want everybody to give that chance for themselves at least once in a life to see the real improvement through naturopathy or natural process. It is
That's
very
the best
helpful.
way. That's the best way to go through yourself and then take a
I
call.
just want to
That yes,
request
it
all.
works.
It might
Yeah.
be how big crowd, I don't mind, but I just want to tell them. I'm ready to speak in front of any
Very
crowd,
good.
in front of any others. I'm ready to help them out, ma'am.
Very impressive, Priyadarshini. Like, more power to you. And I really wish you all the very best. May you go out and you spread this word. And, naturopathy is the answer to every disease. So,
Ma'am.
all the best to you. Good luck to you. May you do very well. May you heal. You already healed yourself. May you
Yes.
continue to heal yourself, your family, and your friends, and wherever you are. So, all the very best to you. Stay in connect, stay in touch,
Ma'am,
and
ma'am,
God
thank
bless you.
you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Even more power to you, ma'am. I like to thank you from my bottom of my heart. I love you, ma'am. The way you
Love you
and
too.
Vishal sir makes us to feel comfortable, and the way you makes me to feel comfortable personally. I'm very impressed, and also I'm very inspired also. to make others to feel the same. I love you, ma'am. I really like you, and the way you speak, the way you make us comfortable is like, I like that, ma'am, so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Means a lot coming from a student, and I'm very grateful to you for your
Thank you,
kind
ma'am.
words. Thank you, and God bless you. God
Thank
bless
you,
you.
ma'am. Thank you,
God bless
thank you, ma'am.
God
So
bless.
much.